Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if you're new, and this week I'm tackling the Thanksgiving feast. Of course, some of these yummy recipes can be altered to meet your level of keto, meaning that you can remove the onion, garlic, or jalapenos, etc. to make it even more low carb. You can even switch out the cheeses. Everything is low carb, but no, I'm not compromising on the taste, so everything is delicious and fits a keto lifestyle. If you're keto on holidays, I got you. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell so you're notified of when these videos are going up. Now let's get cooking. For the mashed potato, I'm going to use jicama, and I get these at Trader Joe's. It's already cleaned and in stick form. Usually it comes as pictured here, but I'm going to take a little shortcut and use these sticks. I'm just going to dice them up really small. Add them to a small pot and cover them with a lot of water. You want to bring it to a boil until it absorbs all of the water you put in. Now that it's absorbed all of the water I put in, I'm going to start cooking it in some chicken broth, and I made this chicken broth in my garlic and herb chicken recipe. I will link it up here in the cards for you. Also going to add a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream to make it a little creamy. While that boils and cooks a little longer, I'm going to work on the gravy. I picked up this organic beef broth from Trader Joe's, and this is the shortcut I'm going to take to make the gravy. Just add it to a small pot and bring it up to boil. In the meantime, I'm going to use a small dish to prepare the slurry, and this is xanthan gum mixed with a little bit of avocado oil. I'm adding that to the broth to thicken it up. Here's how the jicama is coming along.
5 minutes later.
At this point, I'm going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic. It absorbed a lot of its water, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of beef broth. This is going to give the jicama tons of flavor. I'm using this little gadget to puree it in its own pot, but you could definitely remove the jicama and blend it in a blender and then add it back into the pot. Once I have it all blended, I'm going to add a little bit more of the heavy whipping cream. This is a 1/4 cup. The caldo de res, this is the beef flavored bouillon. This is definitely to taste, but I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons. About 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Again, more flavors. And now for the cheese. Adding 1/2 cup of pepper jack cheese. Mix that up and let it melt while we work on the gravy. The gravy has thickened up, now we gotta season it. Super simple gravy. Gravy is ready, let's check on the mash. Add some pepper to taste to the mash, and it is done. This is super creamy and smooth, but still chunky and very delicious. It has a bit of sweetness, which I really enjoy with the jicama. I enjoy a jicama mash more than I would enjoy a cauliflower mash, and that's just my personal opinion, but you could definitely use cauliflower if you'd like. This is better though. Trust me. I hope you try out this recipe, and there's more coming. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of when these videos are going up, and thank you so much for watching.